Welcome. Today's soulfulness meditation manifest soul healing miracles for liver, prevents liver sicknesses, and rejuvenates and prolongs life of liver. Totally relax. Sit up, keep your back straight. Put the tip of the tongue to the roof of upper palate. Close your eyes slightly. Visualize Tao light from the source come down to your crown chakra. Then go through the whole head, brain, neck, go down in the chest, abdomen, all the organs. Then pelvic, thigh, knees, small legs, ankles and feet. Second time. Tao Source light from the ultimate source and creator come down to the head, bright light, neck, chest, abdomen, pelvic, thigh, knees, small legs, ankles and feet. Totally relaxed. In traditional Chinese medicine, ancient Tao wisdom, liver governs free flow of qi, which is vital energy, life force, and emotions. Liver physical organ related with the emotion of anger. Liver stores blood and regulates blood volume. Liver manifests in nails, opens into eyes through the meridian energy channel. Liver connect with eyes. Eye sicknesses related with liver. How do we practice? Everybody put your left palm on the right ribs area. Left palm face up. Right palm faces down. Right palm slightly cover the left palm. This is the body power. Breathing power. Inhale through the nose, through every pore of the skin. Light from every pore of the skin comes to liver. Then exhale, chant Xu. Exhale, Xu brings out blockages. Visualize the light from liver, remove the blockages. Deep inhale through every pore of the skin to the liver. Green light wash out the blockages from liver and then go to whole leg, go down to Mother Earth. Deep inhale through every pore of the skin. Green light clear the liver. Now, normal breathing. Visualize liver like a green spring forest. Green Tao light unfolds Stagnant anger turns to green smoke and disperses. Eyes cool. I repeat again. Visualize liver like a green spring forest. Green Tao light unfolds. Stagnant anger turns to green smoke and disperses. Eyes cool. If you do not have anger, prevent anger. Deep inhale, then the green light enters liver, lobes expand. Exhale. Xu brings out all suppressions, blockages. Deep inhale, green light enters liver, lobes expand. Exhale. Xu brings out all blockages in the liver. Deep inhale, green light enters liver, lobes expand. Exhale. Xu brings out all blockages in the liver. Totally relax. Your mudra, right palm slightly cover left palm in the right ribs area. You can visualize liver like bamboo grove under full moon. Inhale, light coming, green light from every pore of the skin come to liver. Then exhale. Xu, like a wind through grove, remove the blockage in liver. Liver governs free flow of qi and blood. No more distension in chest and ribs. Nails gain luster. Totally relax. Liver opens into eyes. Everybody roll your eyeballs clockwise 3 times. Close eyes rotate. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. If you have soreness in the eyes, gone. If you do not have, prevent. Vision clear. Then counterclockwise, rotate your eyeballs. 1, 2, 3. Now visualize Tao Source green light turns to the nectar dripping into your eyes. The nectar cleansing the eyes, make your eye vision more clear. If anybody have liver, have eyes, have anger, circulation issues, you can practice. Every time you have anger, something upset you, your eye was not clear, tired, then you practice. You could receive very good result. Love you. Thank you.